What's up, vloggy vlog? Oh wait, I'm all in my forehead. What's up, vloggy vlog? Hey y'all, how y'all doing? It's your girl Princess, just in case you're new here, back with another vlog. Feels good to be vlogging. I feel like we got a lot of catching up to do. A lot has happened since I posted my last vlog, so let's real quick, y'all, let's catch up. Let me sit y'all down. And they over here cutting grass, y'all. I'm sorry. It's all right, so I'm gonna try to talk over what's happening outside, but y'all, it's so annoying. Woo. Okay, so let's catch up real fast. I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible because y'all know I can talk, right? So I had surgery, right? I'm shocked too. It was definitely not expected, definitely not planned, and it terrified me. Okay, I got an IUD inserted when I was 7 weeks postpartum, and that bad boy penetrated my uterus, migrated out of my uterus into my pelvic cavity, and was causing some serious pain. And I have been complaining about it for weeks, but my doctor, assured me that everything was okay, and I kept advocating for myself. And my advocacy led to my doctor scheduling an ultrasound for them to just to confirm the placement of the IUD. Turned out the IUD was not visible in the ultrasound, so then they ordered an x-ray and saw that the x-ray had penetrated my uterus and was in my pelvic area, close to my lower digestive system organs. Use your imagination, okay? When I say lower digestive system organ structures, okay? So it was very painful, very, very uncomfortable. It was a whirlwind and I was terrified. I had never had a surgery before. And so, yeah, anxiety was on 10. I was so terrified, but God is good and I'm okay. The procedure went without complication. And I'm good. So I thank God for that. So that's the first thing. Second thing, y'all, is my graduation is in T-2 days. So if you've been hanging around for a while, you would know that that I recently completed my master's degree in clinical psychology with a specialization in marriage and family therapy. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapy associate. I'm a clinician here in the state of Texas. I will be launching my private practice in the beginning of the year. And commencement ceremony is coming up. So my husband, myself, of course, and my 2 kids, we are traveling to San Antonio, Texas, which is where my campus is located, for me to graduate. I'm emotional about it. Like it's very emotional to me, because if you would have asked 8-year-old princess, 9-year-old princess, 10-year-old princess, would I have ever made it this far, she would not be able to wrap her mind around who I've grown into being. So this is for my inner child, my little princess, a little princess that experienced so much trauma and neglect and abandonment, who had been told her whole life that she would be nothing, that she was a nobody. To all those people who tried to squish the light in me and made me feel that I was not worthy and that I would never accomplish anything because of where I came from, who my parents were, the things that I've had to do to survive, the attitude I used to have because I was so angry and hurt. To all of those people who wrote me off. Look at me now. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. And I thank God for the spirit of resilience. And I thank God just for being him, for his son, because I ain't do this by myself. If it was not for my faith, I know I would not have gotten this far. So y'all, I just feel so blessed and overwhelmed. Avery's birthday is coming up. My first baby is turning 6. I can't believe it, y'all. I can't believe it. I can't believe I'm about to have a 6-year-old. That's crazy to me. So I bring it up to say tomorrow I'm surprising my baby at her school with cupcakes, so that she can enjoy cupcakes with her friends and stuff before they go out on Christmas break. So I don't know if all of that is going to be in this vlog, but I am planning on vlogging the majority of those events in my life. For those of you who follow me on the community page or who interact with me on the community tab, and because I did share about my surgery and the complications with my IUD when it happened, or was it when it happened? It was around the time it happened. It was it was after I had the surgery. Thank you so much for your well wishes, for your prayers, for your thoughts and concern. I really, 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 really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. I'm so grateful for this little community that we're creating over here. I absolutely love vlogging with you guys, and it seems that you guys enjoy my vlogs more than you do my dedicated videos. I don't know, let me know, because I have uploaded, I want to say 2 dedicated videos recently, and they're doing okay. Not like my vlogs though. So y'all let me know what video format you enjoy most. I know I personally enjoy vlogs more. I feel like they're more intimate, they're more personal. You get to know me a little bit better. And sometimes I feel like dedicated videos are important, but I really enjoy vlogging. So y'all let me know what y'all think. But yeah, that's it. That's my check-in. Just wanted to bring y'all up to speed on what's been going on in life with me lately. And I'm about to go ahead and get the little one together, and we'll see what else we cover in the vlog. Happy New Year, y'all. Today is January 1st, 2024. Yes, we made it through another year. I thank God for carrying me and my family. It's been a rough year. But today is page 1 of chapter 1 of a new book in our lives, and I'm really excited about what's to come. I'm really excited about what God is going to do in the life of myself and my family and of you. I'm excited for what God is going to do for you too. So yes, per the usual, I look cray. It's okay though. Y'all know I'm a mom of 2. I have a 4-month-old who terrorizes me in the nighttime hours where I should be sleeping. So this is my life. Y'all gonna have to accept me and all my sleepiness. Okay, anyway, so Avery is getting ready to go back to school in a couple days, and I have not created the gifts for her teachers. Yeah, I kind of suck. I lost track of time before school let out because I had a lot going on, and time slipped away from me, and I didn't make the teachers Christmas gifts. So I'm doing it now. I need to restock my body butters anyway, so I'm gonna make a batch of body butters, and I'll probably make them a matching body spray. That's probably what's gonna happen. So yeah, just trying to get these things calculating in my mind. And this batch of body butter that I make is probably gonna be the last batch of body butter that I make for the season, because I don't ship my body butters in the summer or springtime. It's too hot in Houston and they will melt in transit. So I'm gonna master batch. I'm gonna try my hand at master batching my body butters for the first time. I think we're gonna see. So let's get to it. So I just finished packing up the teacher's gifts. I believe my battery died in the middle of me packing up some of the gifts that I'm giving. And y'all, it's crazy. Today is January the 9th, I believe. Monday, January the 9th. And I'm just now giving Christmas gifts to my daughter's teachers. guess that right there is just a true testament of how crazy things have been for me. Y'all, it's been a roller coaster. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog here. Hopefully this is a substantial vlog. I'm literally just gonna be piecing footage together during editing, so hopefully it's a good one. I hope you guys did enjoy it, but I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, remember that you are perfectly imperfect. Love all of you because God does, and so do I. See y'all in the next one. Until then, y'all be blessed. Deuces.